Good morning, this is Marks from the Bible in 1 Year. Today we're going to look at Numbers 27. Numbers 27 contains three main events. Firstly, the daughters of Zelophehad seek justice. Zelophehad died without sons, so the daughters asked for the right to inherit their father's land. God instructed Moses that their request was just, establishing a new inheritance rule to ensure fairness. Secondly, we see that Moses is told he will not enter the promised land. God tells Moses that because of his earlier disobedience at the waters of Meribah, he will see the promised land from a distance, but he will not be able to enter it. And thirdly, we see that Joshua is chosen as Moses' successor. Moses asks God to appoint a new leader for Israel, and God chooses Joshua. Moses then publicly commissions him to lead the people after his death. In short, this is what Numbers 27 contains. But how do we apply Numbers 27 in our lives today? Firstly, stand up for what is right. The daughters of Zelophehad respectfully spoke up when they faced an unfair situation. This encounters us today as to pursue justice with wisdom and with integrity, just like they did. Secondly, we should accept responsibility for our actions. Moses remained faithful even though he experienced the consequences of his mistake. This reminds us to take responsibility while continuing to serve faithfully. Thirdly, prepare others to lead. Moses willingly passed leadership to Joshua. Whether we're at school, home, work, or church, mentoring and encouraging others helps us to ensure continuity and growth. And lastly, we should trust God's guidance. Throughout the chapter, God provides direction for His people. We too can see God's wisdom when making important decisions, and we must trust God's timing. In conclusion, Numbers 27 reminds us that God is just, He's faithful, and purposeful in all He does. He cares about fairness, calls us to take responsibility for our actions, and prepares the next generation to continue His work. So as we live each day, we should seek justice with humility, remain faithful even when facing consequences, and encourage others to grow and lead. By trusting God's guidance and walking in obedience, we can live lives that honor Him and positively influence those around us. Have a blessed day.